Perth Children's Hospital Foundation has been amazing in its support of kids rehab department at the Perth Children's Hospital. It's provided really generously up-to-date robotic innovative equipment. It's provided research and education. Its impact on the kids and their families is current in everyday work that we do here. And most importantly, that means when they leave here, the kids have much more function and that they can use this on an everyday basis at home, at the community, at school. We owe the PCH Foundation an incredible thank you to what it's provided to the kids of WA. The Perth Children's Hospital Foundation has funded 5 robotic devices for kids rehab in the last few years. It's enabled us to provide the kids of WA with the most innovative and new technology available. We're the first unit in Australia to have both the Rewalk and the Ameo arm robotic devices. The robotic arm is a device that's really important in neurological recovery for children. So if you see the kids on it, you see how much they engage. They still do other activities that they involve in our other therapy programs, but this gives us a really innovative way to get intensive therapy early on and maximise recovery. The other day, one of the kids said to me that coming here is like coming to the Ministry of Magic. I don't think it gets much better than that.
The PCH Foundation has been integral to the burns unit over many, many years, supporting us with our laser therapy program, making the environment much better in the bathroom with all sorts of lighting and distraction techniques, and our telehealth. The burns telehealth program has been absolutely central to our care from probably 2006, and that was all funded and made possible by the PCH Foundation.
PCH Foundation supports medical research in many ways at the hospital. They provide funding for research grants and they have education and training grants. They also provide support for people who are doing a PhD and for scholarships. And I've seen these really talented young doctors gain an immense amount.
The main reason that attracted me to come to Perth Children's Hospital were the people. Funding from the foundation and the Telethon Kids Institute is absolutely essential, and we really are wanting to make a difference. The determination and the will is there. What's missing in most places around the world is the means to do that. And to be empowered, enabled through the support from the foundation and the Telethon Kids Institute is an absolutely crucial element in this. To have a place like Perth Children's Hospital.
I was born with amniotic banding syndrome, and that has required 31 operations, so it's taken a bit of progress to get how I'm looking at the moment. I couldn't even imagine what my life would be like without the hospital. I probably wouldn't even be here today if it wasn't for the hospital and my doctors doing all the procedures, because they were just thinking of stuff on the spot right there and then, and those split-second decisions were the ones that saved my life.
Our vision is that the funds we raise dramatically improve the future health of the children of WA. And to realise the vision, we focus on enabling the Perth Children's Hospital and the wider child and adolescent health service to ensure WA's children and young people have access to world-class health care. Demand for our funding continues to grow, and we are now supporting the Children's Hospital and wider health service across a number of different areas and in many different ways. To give you an idea, in recent years, with the incredible support of our donors, we have funded a specially equipped emergency ambulance for critically ill newborns, realistic and intensive training for medical staff in the hospital's state-of-the-art simulation suite, fellowships for doctors to enter specialist fields of medicine and combine research with their clinical training, groundbreaking research projects in the areas of cancer, respiratory medicine, psychiatry, diabetes and cystic fibrosis, state-of-the-art rehab and ophthalmology equipment, a music therapy program. This is a small snapshot of our funding commitments, and we are incredibly proud of the impact these activities make.
On behalf of everyone at Child and Adolescent Health Services, I'd like to extend a huge thanks for your enormous kindness and generosity.
I'd like to thank you guys for all your generosity, because even though we don't know each other, your money has gone a long way in improving my life and other kids at PCH's lives.
By making the donation you have changed the lives of someone you will never meet, someone you'll never know. But when I say thank you on their behalf, trust me, they do know. When I say thank you on behalf of the Burns Service of Western Australia and our Burns Injury Research team, we all know how fundamental your donation is to our future, because it has been fundamental to our past.
Thank you, Perth Children's Hospital Foundation, for all your support.
Thank you so much for your generosity and support. What you do makes a really big difference on an everyday basis to the kids of WA.
Thank you so much to the PCH Foundation donors. What we do would not be possible without you.
Thank you for your donation.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you!
Thank you for everything you do for the children of Western Australia.